So I've just started changing the locks because the key, one of the key, our backup keys is gone. I played these outside and I can't find it anymore. I know where it is, but yeah, we're gonna try to fix it now. Yeah. So here's the door, and just gonna remove that. Remove this. First, you remove the whole thing. Remove this, then remove this too on the other side. Then remove this. So we're gonna replace this one here. Let's go. So apparently we lost one of our keys, so I had to replace the locks. Had to look for the right one. We need to have a double lock. How do you call it? Double lock. Double cylinder lock, but it has to be a tri-lock. Double cylinder tri-lock. So usually we can replace the middle. Look at this. So usually we replace this thing. This is the only part of the lock that we can replace. The problem is we would need a tri-lock. Tri-lock is different. Usually when you see locks, they have this thing in the middle, but tri-locks, they're open in the middle. Like this thing is gonna go through. But yeah, what you need to do is just remove the main door jamb, and then we're gonna remove the thing. After removing that thing, we're gonna take this out and then take this out. So yeah, we're gonna be taking out a lot of things. I don't want to document it because it's kind of a bit basic, but yeah, just working on the door. After removing those two, you can just slowly pull this thing out. So tri-locks are different because as you can see in the middle, there's a space in the middle. Why is my camera not focusing? So as you can see, tri-locks, they're different because in the middle there's a groove and there's a space. That's where this thing is gonna go through. So it's different from other locks. I had to look for this shit. It's expensive. Fucking hell. Anyway, we just remove these two screws here. After removing that, remove the two screws here to remove that thingy. Remove the screws here again, and you can slowly pull this out. I can't. I just push this up. Randomly struggling the whole week. I couldn't start a vlog. I can't do anything at this point. I'm so tired. It's like when you go to sleep and you wake up and you feel like you haven't slept. That's what's happening to me now. Anyway, I don't know. I'm tired. I'm just tired. Yep, I'm tired.